So driving to work, it's like, I don't know, 7:30 in the morning, Monday. I can hear this noise from the rear of my car, and I think it's the diff, but I don't know if it's that or the center support bearing. So it's kind of like a whirring, and here, like, move my phone to the back and speak loudly so you can hear when I'm on or off throttle. So off, still there. On, there, a little more. Off, still there. On, there, a little more. So yeah, it's there, both on and off throttle. Maybe they're on a little more, so I don't know. Makes me think it might be the center support bearing, but could also be the diff. TBD.